Hey guys, Tim here from Zaapi. So in today's video, we want to talk about how to connect your email account to your Zaapi account. So this will allow you to manage your inbox from Outlook and Gmail, as well as your other messaging and conversational tools that you currently have connected to Zaapi. So the way you do that is you go to Zaapi. Let's start in the settings and we'll go to integrations. Now this works the same for both Gmail and Outlook. You want to select the one that you want to connect to Zaapi. So for Gmail, you just go to connect more right here. This will prompt you to go to your email on Google. And the same is true for Outlook. Once you sign in and grant access, you'll see a connection that is enabled like this, and then you'll automatically be able to use your email within Zaapi. After you've successfully done that, if you go to your inbox, it will show your email as well as your other chat accounts in one location. So here we have examples of chats coming in from Line, Lazada, etc. And we can go to email and we can see here's an example of an email. This will look like the Gmail app or the Outlook app that you use natively on your devices. Just like in all inboxes, you can BCC or CC people here. If you would like to create a new email, you go right here to this corner, compose, and you just compose a new mail. Just like from the messaging channel, you can use draft or reply to let AI help you write a reply to an email. And the person I'm having a conversation with here, you can see his contact is here. But if I know his Facebook account or his Instagram account or his purchasing history from Lazada or Shopee, I can just go ahead and connect him like this by just searching for him. So for example, type in this person here, and this person is the same person as this email account. I can go ahead and link the contacts here on the side. Important though, if you have Shopify, anytime a Shopify purchase is done, it will immediately link that person's email to your Shopify account. So that person's order history will appear here. Now, unlike normal messaging channels, there is a couple of specific differences with email that I want to get into here. If you look right here on the side where it says other conversations, you can see other email threads you have going with this one person. So for example, I have two conversations going with this guy now. This one is the subject is order, and this other one is opening hours, right? So if I'm here in this opening hour thread, I can quickly go to the other conversations I'm having with this email account here, orders, just like that. Very convenient. And one more thing that you can do in email is you can add a signature. So if you go to settings right here, you can do email signatures, you can create a signature, and you can choose what emails to use that in, whether it's your Outlook or your Gmail account. So it's very easy to set up. This works seamlessly with Zaapi, just like you would with messaging. You can put this in the flow builder and have message being round robin assigned to people and have email be a part of that loop, just like everything else. Go ahead and give it a try and connect your email to Zaapi now.